viewers at home, my name is Princess Adesoya Diola. You're welcome to Ilialayo TV. And with me here today is
Olajika Oluwabikola.
Today we are going to be discussing about relationships. We are going to be talking about the ups and downs in relationships, from the courtship, from the angle of sincerity. What do you have to say today, Olajika?
And I'll also be talking about the sincerity from both sides, the level of commitment, and what ladies and guys out there we are really facing. So I'll just advise you to sit down, relax, and enjoy the show with us.
We're going to be looking at the dating aspect of it, like when the relationship is starting. Nígbà tí wọ́n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ relationship náà, nígbà tí àwọn méjèèjì bá ríra wọn pé a nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa ó dáa a fẹ́ máa fẹ́ra wa. Some people believe in a short-term courtship, while some people believe in a long-term courtship, like duration of a year or two. Then some people believe in like six months or like 3 months. That getting to know each other does not depict like maybe you are going for a long time, like maybe a year or 2 years. Now I want to ask your point of view on that. Does it really matter? It doesn't matter if it's 2 years or a year, or if it's 3 months or more?
All I want to say is that it has nothing to do with either short term or long term. It depends on the personality involved. It depends on the mindset of the two parties. Let's take for example, if you are meeting a guy for the first time, maybe on the first date, and you had something together. If the relationship will lead you guys to the altar, it will. And if it happens to be a long time, maybe you were like, okay, let's wait for 5 months, 6 months, thereabouts. So I believe it's the personality involved and the commitment from both sides.
But do you believe that some adults, let's say some elders, they believe a relationship of 3 months or 6 months does not want marriage? Like they believe for you to know the person, before you know the kind of person the person is, before you know before you can groom your in-depth feelings, which is love, not infatuations, and all that, they believe within a year or 2 years is enough for courtship. You understand?
I won't really subscribe to that. Let me bust your bubble. Few days ago I saw something online, and the thing says it has been scientifically proved that men fall in love within 8 seconds.
Really?
Yeah. And it takes ladies 8 days or few weeks, 8 days or let's say 10 days to fall in love. So to me, I believe it is maturity.
Alright.
You can meet someone for the first time and okay, what do you say about love at first sight?
Now, let me tell you something now. There are some intriguing questions about love at first sight. Some people believe in it that, okay, if you meet a person, maybe within a seconds, you can differentiate between maybe you love the person or this person can, like some, how will I say, some spiritually fueled set of people. They believe, okay, when they see their wife, that a spirit of God is going to tell them, oh, this is my wife. You're going to give me my kids. You understand? But some people, they believe love at first sight is infatuation. That you are yet to, you don't know the person. You're just meeting the person for the first time, and you say you love the person.
Yes. That will draw me back to what I said earlier, that it has to do with the personality involved. Some people say that won't pretend anymore. They can pretend for Africa. They can pretend for Aye. That even meeting them, you feel like, oh, this is the Messiah. This is the person coming into my life. But alas, they are just here to do that thing, to check maybe you are straight in the middle, and before you know, they japa.
Okay. So
that is just it. Me, I don't see it as if love at first sight is infatuation or not, or maybe people are now wayward. No. Now, just say it has to do with your exposure and your maturity.
Through what you said, you've been able to derive some points like, okay, it can be short term and it can be long time. It depends on the person's level of personality, on maturity, and the personality of the individual.
Exactly.
All right. Now let's go to the sincerity aspect of it. You know, some people, like what you said the other time, some people can pretend. Some people, they can package what is not. As in, you don't know them, you find it difficult to know them because they are super, like they are super perfect in every aspect. Like if they want to tell you this is blue, they know their way about it to make it blue, and they're going to prove the point. So now, what about those people that do pretend in relationship?
The issue of relationship is deeper than what we are seeing. Let me put it that way. It's very, very hard. Even God is very, very hard for you to decode someone, to know everything about someone. It's just, let me just say, maybe as time goes on, or if you follow your instincts, you will be able to know one or two things about that person. But I just believe that someone that will be a betrayer, a pretender, even spending like 5 minutes with that person, will be able to get that fact.
We want you to give comments. We want you to bring in comments about the sincerity aspect of relationship, and the time duration of the relationship, whether long or short time. We want to see your point of view on the relationship. We want to see your point of view on the sincerity aspect of it, and we'd like to get back to you next time.
And also, we want you to talk. Is it really the personality or the maturity level? And we also want to hear your view too. So we urge you to subscribe and like this video. So as we come your way some other time, I remain my humble self, Olajigabi Kola.
And me, Princess Adesoye Adiola.
Thank you very much. Bye.